What's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our Magblock limiters into a Star Model 30M 15 round magazine. These magazines are made by Star, and pretty easy, pretty straightforward, but there is one thing that you're going to need to do. The inside retaining plate is kind of connected to the spring, so I'm going to show you how to break that down and install the block correctly. What you can do, take a small little flathead screwdriver, punch in the retaining plate, push the floor plate aside, okay, set the floor plate aside, and then release the pressure. So you'll notice that the retaining plate is kind of pinched to the spring here, and what you need to do is just take a little flathead screwdriver and just get into that little crease where the metal's pinched. This is just pot metal, so it's really easy to do. This one's been pre-done, but just so you get the idea. And then just set that aside. Oh, don't want to lose that. Okay, then what you're going to do, install the block. And this uses a universal pistol limiter block cut to 9.5. And when we say 9.5, we want to see a 9.5 in this little notch window right here. We'll see, kind of hard to focus, but you kind of get the idea. Okay. And then just put it back together. Now, this retaining plate isn't going to sit here on here just perfectly, but it's okay because the spring tension is going to keep it in place. Okay. Put that back together. Give it a good tap. Make sure it's locked into place. And then give it a fitment test. We designed this block so you can install on a closed bolt. That's number 9 and 10. So it goes in there nicely. See, be able to push it down just a little bit to install on a closed bolt. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to us at magblock@gmail.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.